Hey guys, what's up? This is Eddie coming before you. Pray all is well with you and your families. It's another beautiful day here in Columbia. Wanted to come before you guys today to do a seller's market update. A seller's market update. If most of you guys know me, I love representing sellers. That's what I do. So I wanted to come before you guys and talk a little bit about what I'm seeing in today's market in regards to sellers. So from a seller's perspective. So I have heard some sellers mention that they may take a pause because the market is dropping and home prices are dropping. That is not true. That's the furthest thing from the truth. So what we are seeing is we're continuing to see home price appreciation. Over the last 2 years, home prices have appreciated over 40%. So that's expected to continue. Now it's leveling off a little bit, not as drastic as it has been recently, but home prices are continuing to appreciate. So now it's still a great time to list your home to get that great value from your home in this marketplace. Now, as I mentioned, we are starting to see a little drawback in demand, and that's basically driven by the changes that the Fed is making to deal with the high inflation numbers. So, mortgage interest rates have increased a good bit here recently, and that is impacting demand, which is what they wanted to do. Nevertheless, home values are continuing to appreciate. So, if you've been thinking about putting your home on the market, now is still a great time. Now, your pricing strategy is very important. So there are three basic pricing strategies that most sellers are going to be looking at. They're going to be looking for, the home run strategy. I want to get as much money as possible. They're going to be looking at, the average strategy as far as looking at the average comparable homes to the home that's going to be listed and going with the value in the, in that range. Or they're going to be looking for the quick sale, which may be priced a little below market value, but you need to turn around quickly. Maybe you have another offer on another home, or you have to move quickly, something like that. So those are the three basic strategies. So depending on your situation, we're going to have to figure out which strategy works the best for you. So if you're in no big rush, and you're, able to wait a month or two to get your home sold, then hey, maybe you still want to swing for the fences. I love to swing for the fences myself. But if you're in a situation where you need to be in a home quickly, maybe you want to consider pricing your home a little less than market value so you can get more buyers in there, get more offers. You can get your home on the market and off the market very quickly. Now, saying all of that, we're still only at 1.5 months worth of inventory. So homes are not going to be in the market for a long period of time. Average or for a balanced market, we're looking at 6 months inventory. So we're still in an unbelievable seller's market. So your home's not going to be in the market for a long period of time. Now, another thing for you guys to keep in mind is appearance is critical. So as a seller, you need to have that buyer's eye. Like when you go out looking at your homes, you want your home to be presented the best way that it possibly can, because you don't want to leave any money on the table, especially if you're going for top dollar. We want to make sure that your home is looking excellent. Is in excellent showing condition. Staging is essential. Less is always better. Condition. The condition of the home is very critical as well. So if there's any deferred maintenance, you want to get those things taken care of. A lot of times, if the HVAC unit hasn't been looked at in years, I want to go ahead and have one of my professionals come out and take a look at that as well. Anything else that as I walk through the home, I may see some things that we may want to take a closer look at. But for the most part, there isn't much that sellers have to do in this market. But anyway, that's a lot of information. Didn't mean to give all of that. But if you guys have any questions, if any of you have been thinking about selling your home, you want me to come out, take a look, give you my advice on what it could sell for, amount of proceeds that you could receive, please give me a call. My phone number is 803-497-7112. That's 803-497-7112. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Hope y'all have a blessed day.